Hey guys, welcome back. So what we're looking at today is 11-10, dividing unit fractions by non-zero whole numbers. So how can you model dividing a unit fraction by a whole number? Half a casserole is left over. Anne, Beth, and Chuck are sharing the leftovers equally. What fraction of the original casserole does each person get? So one way that we can take and do this, let's see if I give space for it. Nope. Okay. So we can take and draw this to help us represent this situation. So we have a pan with half of it left over. And so if half the casserole is left over and there are 3, we can divide it into 3 pieces each because there's 3 of them sharing. So the fraction, so 1/2 divided by 3 is going to equal 1/6. So they each got 1/6 of the original casserole. So use a number line to find 1/3 divided by 4. So this is another way we can take and do it. So we have a number line. We've got 0 to 1/3. This would be 2/3. This would be 1 whole. And so we can split this into 1, 2, 3 fourths. And so each part would then represent 1/12. So 1/3 divided by 4 equals 1/12. We're also using the same time split method here as well. So we keep the first fraction the same. We change it to multiplication. We flip the 4 into 1/4. And that's how we get our 1/12. So we have 1/4 divided by 2, so keep the first fraction the same. Multiply by the reciprocal, so it becomes 1/2. We flip it. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 2 is 8. So 1/8 is our answer. All right, next one. We have 1/4 divided by 4. Keep the first fraction the same. Change it to multiplication. Flip the second one. So 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 4 is 16. All right, here we have 3/8 divided by 16. So the 3/8 stays the same. Change it to multiplication and then flip the fraction, or flip the 16. So 3 times 1 is 3. 8 times 16 is going to be 128. And 3 over 128 is as simplified as it can go. Now, if we could have simplified that, we would have. So always remember to simplify. All right, we've got 1/5 divided by 9. So 1/5 times, kept the first one the same, then times, and then flip. So 1/9. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 9 is 45. So how is dividing by 3 the same as multiplying by 1/3? By using the same times flip. When we take and do that operation, we're dividing by 3, so we're splitting into 3 parts or into thirds, so the 1/3, so it's the same as multiplying by that 1/3. All right, so your keyword for this lesson is non-zero, with a hyphen in between. Don't forget it. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a great day.